Alright guys, I was working on the video for this hoist I made a while back. Realized I didn't have any footage of the finished product, and the camera angle I got wasn't the greatest. I'm sure you guys have seen that by now, but the size of this hoist and the barn, no matter where I put the camera, you were not going to get everything, so it's kind of the best of a bad situation. Figured I'd explain some of this. This used to be a jib crane. I bought it at an auction. It was the same length it is now. You can see the lifting eye there. It had a cable went up and it pivoted over there. You can see where it used to be welded. Maybe there's a plate there and some strengthening web that was over here. I basically just cut it apart from the plate. Well, I'll show you the plate from the spool it was welded onto. It's over here. That's what it was welded onto. It has a 2-inch rod goes through it. That's somewhere here too. But I just cut all that off. Kept the beam. I bought it at an auction. It came with the beam, the trolley, and a 3-phase 3-ton hoist, which is right over here. Which I don't have 3 phases in this building, but I'm working on my phase converter, and I'm gonna hopefully get it in the building, or get it to where I can run my chain hoist, because electric chain hoist is nice. So right now I'm just using a manual 3-ton and a manual 1/2-ton, which works just fine, gets me by. I already had these posts. I think they were old light posts or something. They're 3/8 or 1/2 inch thick. It's got 3/4 inch concrete anchors that go about 6 inches into the pad. The pad's about 6 inches deep. I always drill my bolts all the way through the concrete, and what that does is it allows me to punch them through if they ever break or anything like that. I welded that beam right there on the side. That helps support the roof a little bit. I actually put a little preload on it, so it just has a little weight on it as it sits. And then it keeps the beam from moving to and fro, or forward and aft, whatever the fuck you guys want to call it. I'm gonna do something like that over on this side too. I'll probably go from like here to one of these beams and there, just added security. My original posts are a little too short, so I have some 6-inch stem. You may not be able to see it, but I had to extend it. I cut those little eyelets out of plate, welded them on, and then I slid that pipe up through there as I lifted it. And this, you'll see in the video, this was actually too tall for my tractor to lift all the way there. So I got it close, and then I took bottle jack and a pipe here, and then I just shored up wood and the bottle jack over there, and I just picked it up to where I wanted it, and that's how we got it there. So it's a pretty big deal, pretty big, physically big thing. So, but I've used the shit out of it already for about 3 or 4 projects, and I'm pretty happy with it. So hasn't fallen down and killed me either, so there's that. Alright guys, thanks for watching.